Once your account is created, verified, and you have completed two-factor authentication, you will be able to start depositing your money on AdvCash. Begin by logging into your AdvCash account. On your AdvCash homepage, click on Deposit Funds in the top left corner of the screen. You can add funds via card or bank transfer. The fees for depositing by card are variable, and the deposit is instant. We will use this method for this example. The fees for bank transfers are fixed, which is ideal if you wish to deposit large amounts, but it may take several days. Choose the amount and currency to deposit as well as your country, then click on Deposit. A summary will be displayed, listing the prerequisites to perform the transaction correctly, as well as a summary of the amount and the fees. You will need to enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Check the box to accept the terms of the T&C and the privacy policy, then click on Pay. You will be redirected to your bank's Internet Payment Security page. Validate your purchase through your mobile banking application. At the end of the process, a notification will inform you that the deposit has been successfully made, and you will also receive a confirmation email. Go back to your homepage to view the history of your transaction, which is, for the moment, in progress. Click on the card type under the Transaction Type section and select Pass Verification. This is a security measure to verify that the bank card used indeed belongs to you. Upload a photo of your bank card and click on Submit for review. The verification process can take several minutes. You will be notified by email once the operation is successful and the transaction is confirmed. Go back to your home page and don't hesitate to refresh the page to observe the change in the status of your transaction and see the funds appear in your wallet.